Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dakal, and in this video I'm going to show you a best strategy that you can use to make money literally today from ClickBank. So this is also how super affiliates make their money. Smart people who run ads and keep on generating consistently commission in a CPA network like ClickBank, they do use this kind of strategy. So watch this video till the end to know everything that I am going to show you in a step-by-step process. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions regarding this video, then please do ask me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to log into your ClickBank account, and we need to find an offer that we can promote. Okay. So let's click on this top offer, and there are lots of offer. If you have noticed that in ClickBank always weight loss offers are at top, and it is always best to promote these kind of offers. Now you can see here XGPR. So for this example I would select this T-burn, okay, because I have already made my mind to show you everything regarding this T-burn. Okay, so once you log in, you can simply click on this promote button and you can easily get your link. Okay, okay, so this is going to be your affiliate link for this product that is called T-burn. Okay, and it has pretty good amount of average sales per conversion, sorry, average commission per conversion. So now next thing you need to do is you need to go to facebook.com ads slash library. Okay, so this doesn't mean that you are going to run this ad on Facebook. Okay, if you don't want to run ads on Facebook, then that's fine. I'll show you another way from which you can get traffic. Okay, so in here, if you go to facebook.com slash ads slash library and type T-bond, okay, in small letter, okay, then you'll see lots of ads. So you can check on all of the ad which is exactly related to T-bond. Okay, and I have already checked it, and I can say that this ad is for T-bond. Okay, and you can read the things that they have written at here. Okay, it will give you an idea on making your ad when you are running either in Facebook or in any other platform. Okay, you can read this, and if you just click on this, then you'll see their landing page. So now they have pretty simple landing page. Okay, all of these are image. Okay, if you pull this, you can see this is image. Okay, they have mostly used this image, and it is extremely simple to create this kind of landing page. And I'll show you how you can create it in a free tool that is called System.io. And if you want to sign up to System.io, then I have a full course which I am giving for free if you are using the link in the description to sign up to this System.io. Okay, so now till now we have selected offer, we have done our research in facebook.com slash ad slash library. Okay, and we have found an ad. Okay, you can source several other offers in same way. Okay, and once you find this, then we will see their landing page, and if this landing page seems to be good, then we can recreate it. Okay, now I'll not show you completely by recreating it at here, but I'll give you an idea how you can do it. So firstly, what you can do is you can go to menu and click on funnels. Okay, after logging into your System.io. So this System.io has a free plan where you'll pay $0 per month. Okay, to make up to 3 sales funnel with 10 steps. So it is worth trying, and it is extremely easy to use too. So once you do that much, then you can click on create. Okay, and then click on build an audience and click on create. Sorry, you need to give a name. We can give T-burn and click on create. So now we don't need thank you page, we just need landing page. So let's remove this thank you page, and then scroll below, and you will see this one, build from scratch. Okay, let's click on select, and then once you reach here, you just can rename it to T-burn. Okay, and you can also rename this tburn, sorry, t/burn, and click on this save and click on this edit. So it is extremely simple to use this system AI to build landing page, sales funnel, okay, everything, okay. And now what we need to do is we need everything that is at here. So let's get this image, save image as put at here one. Let me save this image, save image 2. So I'll use these 2 images for now, okay. So now what you need to do here is let's pull the image box firstly at here, okay. This is the image box, and then let's click on setting and click on this button from which we will upload this image that we have just saved. It was in here and this was the image. Let's click on open. So the image is uploading. Let's wait for some time. You can click on here and click on insert, okay. So this image came here. Now another image, there was another image, that was this one. So again what you can do is you can pull this image. So you can see there is a blue line that is forming at here. You need to leave this image at there, okay, so that it appears at here. And now I can click on this setting button and click on this and click on select file and put this another image. So let's wait for some time. So I think my internet is a little bit slow today. Okay, once your image is uploaded, then you can click on insert, okay, and this will appear in this way. Now you can click on save changes. Now there is another thing that was a button, I think, yeah. So to make this bottom move like this, you need to add some code, and it is not necessary to make that kind of movement, okay. But if you want, then you can check out some CSS code to put it in this system AI platform so that you can get that kind of movement, okay. To put this bottom, you need to simply put this bottom. You're seeing it, how simple it is to. And what is the text? Show me the t tweak. Okay, now what you can do is you can simply click on this setting, okay, and scroll below and remove the soft text here, that is at here. Just remove, and here put show me the t tweak. Show me the t tweak, okay. And if you need the same color, then what you can do is you can install a Chrome extension that is called Colorzilla, okay. It will take you just few seconds. And click on install Colorzilla, and click on add to Chrome, click on add extension. So now it is installed at here, okay. And let's got it. Now let's go to, okay, so now let's go to this landing page and click on this, and now you can see this kind of cursor has appeared. Now you can move your cursor at here and to find this color code, and you can click on here and your color code is now copied, okay. So now what you can do is you can come here and scroll below, and here's the blue color of this button. Then you can simply click on here and put that code at here in this way, okay, and your button color will be yellow. Now text color is white. Now let's make it black, because in here it is black, okay. Now there is a border at below, and let's scroll below and see this you can remove, okay. And then so it's fine now, I think. Yeah, it's fine now. You can simply click here and click on save changes. Okay, so it is saying at least one email input is required, okay. So if you click on here and you'll see send form, okay, make it open URL, okay, and click on save changes, and it will be fine. Now you can click on here and scroll below, and now font size. In font size, you can see there is big fonts right here. So what you can do is you can maybe put 50, or if that's too big then 40, okay. And in font type you can select your Google Fonts and type maybe Open Sans, or if it is regular you can make it bold in this way, okay. Or you may change it to Lato and change it to bold in this way, okay. You can play with these things, and you can simply click on preview, and you'll see this kind of page at here, okay, which is pretty similar to this page. So now if you want to add some text, you can simply pull this at here, okay. If this landing page has some text, okay, you can simply pull. Yes, there are some text. You can pull that text and edit those things. And about creating this kind of landing page, all of the landing page, sales page, as shown in my System.io course, which you can get for free by signing up to System.io with the link that I have given in the description of this video, okay. You can learn everything. So for now I am just showing you to create this much only. And so if you see here, there is saying squeeze page, yeah, but in here new T trick it is showing. So what you can do is you can simply click on setting and scroll below, and here you can see squeeze page. Remove it and type new T tricks, okay, and you can click on save changes, and if you preview it then it will be changed, okay, in this way. So after doing this much, you can simply click on this one, and so this is the link for your landing page. This is the link, and if you want to use your custom link, then there are some process which you can learn by yourself, or watch my System.io full course and learn everything there. So once you have your landing page, okay, so up to now we have searched for offer, we have spied on Facebook ads library and got a landing page, okay, and we have recreated this landing page at System.io. Now it's time to run ad. Now what you can do is, if you are successfully running Facebook ad without getting banned, or you may have lots of ad account, Facebook ad account, then you can model this exact ad what they have written, just change a bit, give your taste to this ad, okay, in this text, and change this image and change this text by using canva.com, okay. In Canva you can freely edit this kind of ads, and once you do that, and you can run ad, just try to target the people who are interested in weight loss. Just type weight loss and see suggestion, and target that kind of interest, and see if you can get sales by using that. Now another thing what you can do is, once you get this kind of landing page which seems to be good, okay, then you can go to Microsoft Ads, and you can run your own ad in Microsoft Ad. Now if you don't have a Microsoft Ad account, then you can get up to $100 free ad credit by spending $25 in Microsoft Ad, okay. You can simply search on Google for Microsoft Ads $100 coupon, okay. In this way you can search, and you'll see there are lots of sites. You can simply click on one. Let me show you, and you can click on get offer, So let's wait for some time. I think my internet is totally slow today. Sorry for making you wait for a long time. Okay, you can see get $100 in search advertising when you spend $25. Okay, in this way you can get up to $100 by spending $25 in Microsoft Ad. And once you make your own ad account on Microsoft Ad, then what you can do is you can go to key tools and go to keyword planner and just type. So this T-burn is something related to tea that will help to lose weight. Yeah? Then you can simply type tea to lose weight. Okay, and you'll get lots of keyword suggestion at here. If you see for ad group suggestion, then there are lots of high volume ad group like 2000 search, 800 search, 2000 search. Okay, and if you click on keyword suggestion, then you can see there are lots of keywords and you can see their search volume is too low, but this is not the exact search volume. Okay, what you can do is you can run by targeting this kind of keyword, run ads by targeting this kind of keywords by using this kind of landing page, and you maximize your chance of getting sales, because this is not a new lander that you have created out of your own mind. Okay, you have created this lander by watching of other people who are already running ad either in Facebook or in either in Microsoft Ad. You can similarly spy some ads on Microsoft Ad and see what type of ad they are running, and you can simply model that kind of ad. Okay, and run by targeting this kind of keyword. If you want to learn how you can run ads on Microsoft Ad to promote ClickBank offers, in this video I am showing you by using landing page, but I have a full course video for free. Okay, you can I'll put that a link of that YouTube video. You can simply click on that, and that was a paid course, but I have released it in my YouTube channel and you can watch it for free. Okay, you can learn everything like uh, running this kind of running ad by targeting this kind of keyword. I have shown you in that video. Okay, you can simply click on that and watch the full course in YouTube for free, and you will be able to run your own ad campaign in Microsoft Ad. And these kind of keyword are some best keyword that you can target, and you are most likely to get sales if you use good landing page, or even without landing page also you can get sales from this kind of keywords. But you need to also track, and I have shown you in that full course how you can track everything, from which keyword you got sales, from which search term you got sales. All of that thing I have shown you in that video. I'll link that video. I'll give that video link in the description of this video. You can watch that. Okay guys, so in this way, firstly you need to select the offer and search in Facebook ad library for this exact keyword which the offer is about. Okay, then it is T-bond, and you'll find some ad, and you can simply click on that ad and see the landing page. Okay, the landing page is important. If that is good, then you can recreate it in System IO, and then once you recreate it in System IO, then you can either run your ad on Facebook, or you can go to Microsoft Ad, because it is the affiliate friendly ad platform where you can run ad for lifelong. So guys, I think this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care. Have a